In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Icon Pass discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Icon Pass discount promo code. Right here, select this website, which is called couponboards.com. And as you can see, we have a list with different promo codes that we can use so we can get a discount. For example, if I want to get this one right here with 25% off discount, all I have to do is select get code, and this is the discount code. I can tap right here to copy the code, and I can use it on my next purchase in order to get a discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, if you scroll down a little bit, you should be able to find this website, which is called the Retail Me Not, that also has a list with different promo codes and deals. For example, if I want to get this one right here, all I have to do is select get deal, and as you can see, I have been redirected to the website, so there is no coupon code required right here. You'll be redirected to the website and the promo code will be applied automatically. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.